Hey buddy, how's it going? Follow me and see 10 special facts about parrots. 1. Parrots are highly clever birds that are well known for being able to mimic human speech. 2. Green, blue, red, yellow, and white are just a few of the many colors that parrots can be. 3. People all throughout the world keep parrots as pets in their houses. 4. Male parrots typically have longer tails and more colorful plumage than females. 5. The majority of parrot species are herbivores. However, some are known to eat small vertebrates and insects. 6. Parrots have a highly developed sense of hearing and are able to locate the source of sounds. 7. The beaks of parrots are quite powerful and can break hard seeds and nuts. 8. Parrots have a lifelong relationship and often lay 2 to 4 eggs at a time. 9. Baby parrots are called chicks and they are born without any feathers. 10. Due to habitat degradation and the illicit pet trade, certain parrot species are in danger of extinction.
Hey friend, you're perfect. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Also, don't miss our other videos.